Hello friends, today we are going to understand how to install Node.js and TypeScript and how to use them. So let's learn why TypeScript. TypeSafe TypeScript. So TypeScript is an open source programming language developed and maintained by Microsoft. It is a strict syntactical superset of JavaScript, meaning that any valid JavaScript code is also valid TypeScript code. TypeScript adds static typing and several other features to JavaScript, making it a powerful and more structured language for building large-scale web applications. TypeScript is transpiled into JavaScript using a compiler. So some key features of TypeScript are static typing, enhanced tooling, interfaces, classes, modules, generics, type inference, compilation, advanced type features, type checking. And so these are the features of TypeScript. Now, understanding a few of them is what is static typing. So one of the primary features of TypeScript is static typing. This means that you can explicitly define data types for variables, functions, parameters, and return values. So TypeScript's type system helps catch type-related errors at compile time, reducing the likelihood of runtime errors. Now, enhanced tooling. What is enhanced tooling? The TypeScript offers improved tooling for developers. It provides features like code completion, navigation, and code uh, refactoring in code editors and integrated development environments. So these are the enhanced tooling options that it have. And interfaces. So TypeScript allows you to define interfaces which specify the shape or structure of objects. Okay, this is mostly useful when working with complex data structures. And next, we move on to classes. So you can use classes in TypeScript to create object-oriented codes with support for constructors, inheritance, access modifiers like public, private, and protected. So these are the features of classes. Now, modules. TypeScript supports module systems, makes it easier to organize and manage your code like CommonJS, AMD, and ES6. Okay, which are module formats are compatible with TypeScript. And then comes your generics. So generics are TypeScript provides support for generics, which enable you to write reusable and type-safe functions and classes. Now, type inference. So TypeScript can automatically infer types, reducing the need for explicit type and notations in many cases. This helps strike a balance between the static and dynamic typing. Now, compilation. TypeScript code is compiled into JavaScript. So when you are running a TypeScript file, it will also generate a JavaScript file at the backend, and it will place that file in your code. So you have to assign that at the tsconfig.json file, like where to put the JS file, and it would do as directed. Okay. Now, what advanced type features? So TypeScript includes advanced type features such as union types, intersection types, map types, and also type checking. The TypeScript compiler performs static type checking, like catching type-related errors during development, which can prevent a wide range of runtime issues. So these are the things that we are going to understand when running TypeScript. Now, how to get started with TypeScript? So first of all, we go to the official Node.js website and click the download button that is shown there and choose the appropriate bit operation from there, bit option from there, like the 32-bit or the 64-bit, and run the MSI file after downloading that. Node is installed, so we will check the version of Node by typing npm v in our command prompt. I missed out that one on the screen, so that's on the command prompt. Then we will install the TypeScript on the same command prompt, and again we will check the version of command of TypeScript using tsc-v. Let's see that in action. Okay, so here you can see that I have come to the nodejs.org website. So this, how do you reach here? Just Google for Node.js installed and take the first option. That will open the website for nodejs.org. And you are going to select the first one. If it's a Windows, you select the Windows installer. If you have a Mac, then you can install the Mac installer. Okay. Now I'm using a Windows, so I have some ideas on that one. So you will select the operating system type, like you have a 32-bit or a 64-bit. So mine is a 64-bit. I'll take this one. And so after that, it will download the file to your computer and ask where to save it. So you save it and then run that application. After running that one, you open the command prompt from the search, like the cmd, type in cmd, and that will open the command prompt. So opening the command prompt, something comes up like this. Okay, so here I already have installed Node. That's why it's showing me the version. The first one is showing node-v, so that shows me the version that of Node that I have. And then you install npm install -g TypeScript. So this is showing a different result here because I already had TypeScript, and now when I'm reinstalling it, it upgraded mine to the newer version. So now if I check what's the version of TypeScript that I have. So tsc-v, that's going to show me the version. This is TypeScript compiler, so mine is 5.2.2. Okay, so that's 5.2 for TypeScript. So here you can see that I have already installed Node.js and TypeScript. So it's showing me the first one is showing Node-v. So that's for checking the version of Node that I have on my system. And next you do the npm installed-g TypeScript. So that's going to install TypeScript on your computer. Or if you already have it, so that's going to upgrade your package to the changed one package in the latest version. Now, how do we check the version of TypeScript? So tsc-v. So that's going to check the version, the compiler version for TypeScript, and it's showing me that tsc 5.2 is the version that I have right now. Okay, so these are the basic installation process of TypeScript. Let's go ahead and do a small hello world program with TypeScript and see how it works. So guys, this is one of our first programs that we created in TypeScript, and yes, you can see that I have declared some variables using the let, var, and const. It's pretty much similar to the JavaScript, and you can see that first name is having a string type of variable, and then I'm trying to print that. Second one is also a string, and then x is of string, and jj is of numeric. So we are trying to print them, and yeah, we get the results as expected. And pretty much it's similar to JavaScript. Only thing is that when I am trying to reassign something to a const variable, then it's giving me an error right away while I'm writing the codes. Okay. So similarly, if I have let u equals to games, that is a string, and then I try to put in reassign it to a numeric value, it will also give me an error right at the time of writing the code. Okay, it says that it's assigned to string, so it's not assignable. So you shouldn't change the type of data you put into a variable while you are writing this. So you don't have to go through the compilation process to get the error. It shows you the error right before doing that. So you have to compile the program and then run it. So the first thing is tsc and the file name .ts. That's how we compile, and by compiling the TypeScript, you get another JavaScript file, which is pretty much similar to your TypeScript. It took all of them as var variables. Okay, so cool. Now we can go ahead, and once this one is done, we can go ahead and try to run this program and do a debugging and see the output. With all the console.log, it's going to give me the outputs of what it's going to print. So the first one should print a first name of dd, and second one for what happened? Uh, tasks. Okay, let me see. Something went wrong. Yes. So the debug console shows me that all the things have been shown as output. Okay, in the debug console. Now you can see the results. It's showing me all the results here. So that's how we are going to draw with TypeScripts. Let's go ahead and learn some more things about it, the type of data types it's using, and how to create a program, and the features we have in TypeScript. Until then, stay tuned, stay connected, and happy coding. Thank you.